Hey everyone, welcome back to our new video. If you are having trouble with the Twitch stage not working, don't worry. I have some tips to fix this issue, so watch the video till the end and subscribe to my channel to get the latest video notification. Sometimes Twitch itself might be experience issue. You can check Twitch status page or their official Twitter account for any announcement about ongoing problems. It is a simple but effective. Try refreshing the Twitch page to see if the chat start working again. If there is no problem, then clear the browser history. Click on the three dotted button, click on the settings, then click on the privacy and security and choose clear browsing data. Go to the advanced section and select cookies and other site data and clear data. Again click three dotted button and go to setting, click on the extension. Here disable whatever extension is causing your problem. I hope you like this video and it may be help to correct the Twitch TV error. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.